Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today I have a special unboxing for you. We are taking a look at the 2023 Liberty Box. So if you're new to the Liberty Box, they are a seasonal patriotic box that Fat Quarter Shop puts out every single year. They are a specialty box, so once they're sold out, they're sold out. So if you are interested in anything you see in this video, I would definitely head over and sign up to receive the Liberty Box. So this is what the box looks like. It's really cute, and it just has, you know, fun little standard box, but it's kind of extra cute, and it has a little saying on the inside. Here's what the little insert looks like, and of course it does come with a couple of coupons on the back. There's a 20% off all Sweetwater fabrics promo and a free half yard from the stateside collection with any $25 purchase. So make sure when you open your box that you don't throw away this insert. We also have our little insert that's going to tell us everything. And then one thing that I think is really cool is they did put information for the Quilt of Valor program on the back. So definitely check that out. I mentioned that in my Patriotic Quilt Trunk Show as well. The Quilt of Valor program was created in honor of the men and women who have served in the United States of America with courage and selflessness. Fat Quarter Shop is donating a portion of the proceeds for each Liberty Box sold up to $6,000 to the $5,000 to the Quilt of Valor Foundation. The mission of the Quilt of Valor is to cover service members and veterans touched by war with comforting and healing quilts of valor. You can also check out their website at qovf.org to learn more or get involved. Okay, so we're going to start off with this little bonus item right here. This is a B Vintage tape measure. It retails for $4.48. Super cute. Here's the information if you want to check it out on their website. And here's what it looks like. It's kind of a padded little tape measure. And then when you pull it out, it's got inches on one side and centimeters. Oh, stop focusing on my face. And then centimeters on the other side. So really cute. And then you just push it in the middle to pull back your tape measure. So very cute. Actually, I already have one of these. The next thing we have in our box are these 2023 Liberty coaster sets. These are actually like a kind of a ceramic or tile feeling coaster, and they've got cork on the back. They retail for $9.48, and they come in a set of 2. And it says they are the perfect perch for a cool drink in July, decorated with fireworks and the American flag. This ceramic set is ready to be set out at family gatherings and neighborhood parades. Here's what the back looks like, and then here is the front. So these are super cute. Again, they're like ceramic or something, tile, something like that. So very cute. And I'm not sure why, but I'm a total sucker for coasters. So I was really excited to see these in the Liberty Box. The next thing we have in our box are a set of red, white, and blue glass head pins by Boheen. These are retailing for $8.74. And it says the extra fine pins by Boheen are certainly a star in our box. Made of plain piano wire, the red, white, and blue glass head pins are perfect for pinning without shifting or leaving holes in your fabrics. The glass heads keep them safe from underneath your iron, and the bold, bright colors always draw the eye. And then, of course, they come in this little plastic tin for you. I haven't used these pins before. I'm not going to open them up because I'm going to add them into one of my giveaways for my Liberty Sew Along. But very cute and definitely patriotic. The pattern for this month is adorable. It's a cute flag pattern. It's called the Apple Pie Wall Hanging. It retails for $9.98, and this was designed by Fat Quarter Shop. And it says, nothing is American as apple pie except perhaps the grand old flag. This exclusive apple pie wall hanging pattern is quick and simple to put together with the stateside fat quarters included in this box. Piece, quilt, and hang this wall hanging with pride for July 4th and beyond. So very cute. And then here are the requirements for that. It looks like it finishes at 27.5 by 36.5. The next thing we have is the red and blue cute cuts 4.5-inch square ruler. This is by Lori Holt for Riley Blake Designs. It retails for $7.98. And it says, oh say can you see how cute this cute cuts ruler is. Edged in cherry red with navy blue markings, this exclusive square ruler by Lori Holt is fun and useful for scoring up and trimming. It will come in so handy for the apple pie pattern included in this box. So here is what it looks like. It is very cute. I'm not sure about you guys, but I have a really hard time using the Lori Holt rulers, which is kind of a bummer because they're really cute, but I have a hard time seeing the cuts for some reason, and then this little 1/2 inch over here always throws me off. So yeah, I don't know. I am gonna hang on to this and just see, give it a shot. It's perfect for squaring up 4.5-inch squares. So if you have those, this would probably work great for those. But yeah, it's something about her lines or how she does the lines that's just unfortunately not my all-time favorite ruler, but they are always very cute. And then finally, we have our fabric bundle. This is the Stateside Fat Quarter Bundle by Sweetwater for Moda. It values at $33.98. Here's what it looks like on the side, so you can see all the colors, and it says, "Your heart will beat true for these reds, whites, and blues." The Stateside collection by Sweetwater for Moda Fabrics goes all out on American pride, with prints ranging from classic dots, stripes, and miniature flags to tossed text. This specialty curated 9-piece fat quarter bundle is a salute-worthy sampling of all the flavors in this line. And here they all are, so you can see your color options. And this is enough to put together your apple pie wall hanging. It does also look like you need a 1/2 yard of binding to finish. And of course you'll need some backing as well. So I added all the contents of this box up for you. It looks like the value is $74.64, so pretty good value. I'm not 100% sure how much these boxes cost. I'll try and put it here on the screen. I can't find it on their website, so that might mean that they are sold out already. So if they are, I apologize. They usually will put out a notification on their social media that they're up for pre-order, so it's possible that they sold out of them. But you can contact Fat Quarter Shop for more information on that. All right, that is going to be everything for today's unboxing. Leave me a comment below on what you thought about this year's Liberty Box and what your favorite item was in it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. You can also hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. And if you're sewing along with our Liberty Quilt Along or Stitch Along, make sure that you join our Facebook group and post all of your pictures using hashtag LibertyQAL or LibertySAL so we can follow along and see what you're making. That's going to be it today. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Hi everyone, welcome back to my shop. Our next item is this cutie red and blue cute cuts 4.5-inch square ruler by Riley Holt for Riley Holt. Oh my gosh. Do over. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time.
Bye.
Where are you going?
Joe.
Why?
Huh?
Where are you going?
I was talking to your viewers.
Sorry, they can still hear you.
You
gonna let her eat those in the car?
You want to see my box?
Yeah, hold on. Let me stop my recording.
Where's my box?